Hello, happy kids! Let's play Politeness, Link, Games. It is a game where you connect and link some situations with some responses politely. We will link the situation and polite response using these colorful threads. Before we are playing it, let's arrange them first. Are you ready to play? Let's go! First situation. Someone invites you to a party, but you will not be able to attend. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? Is it, I say sorry? Or, smile and say a friendly hello? Or, start my sentence with, would you mind? Or, you said, sorry, but I can't make it. What do you think the answer is? Yes, it is, sorry, but I can't make it. Let's link them with green thread. Our next situation is, you ask to borrow something. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? Is it, I say sorry? Or, is it, smile and say a friendly hello? Or, start my sentence with would you mind? What do you think the answer is? Correct. The answer is, I start my sentence with would you mind? Let's link it with pink thread. Our next situation is, I bump into a friend. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? Is it, I say sorry? Or, smile and say a friendly hello? What do you think the answer is? Yes, I say sorry is the answer. Let's link them with this blue thread. The next situation is, I go into a room. One of the polite response for this situation is, smile and say a friendly hello. Let's put the green thread. Our next situation is, you meet new people. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? Is it, thank you, but I'm good? Or, may I ask you something? Or, nice to meet you. Or, excuse me, can I get past? What do you think the answer is? Correct. The answer is nice to meet you. Let's use this pink thread to link them both. Let's continue. Next situation is, someone asks me if they can help at the store. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? Is it, thank you, but I'm good? Or, may I ask you something? Or, excuse me, can I just get past? What do you think the answer is? Correct. The answer is, thank you, but I'm good. Let's connect the situation and response. Next situation is, you are in the midst of the crowds, but you need to get past the crowd. Which one of these is a polite response to this situation? The options are, may I ask you something? And, excuse me, can I just get past? What do you think the answer is? Yes, the correct answer is, excuse me, can I just get past? Let's connect the situation with polite response using this green thread. Last but not least, the situation is, I ask something. The right and polite response for that situation is, may I ask you something? Let's connect the last response with this pink thread. Next, let's do a review about politeness. If someone invites you to a party you can't attend to, it is better to say, sorry, but I can't make it. If you want to borrow something from someone, it is better to start your sentence with, would you mind ... If you accidentally bump into someone,
Ouch!
you should say, I am sorry. Are you okay? Next, if you go into a room and there are people inside, don't worry, just smile and say a friendly hello. If you meet new people, don't forget to be kind and polite. Say something heartwarming like, it's nice to meet you. When someone asks you if they can help you at the store, just remember, they just wanted to help, so we need to stay polite. You can say, thank you, but I'm good. You need to pass through the crowd. Take a deep breath. Don't get upset. You can say, excuse me, can I just get past? If you want to ask something, you can say, may I ask you something? That was all. We finished the politeness link game.
Yeah! Yeah!
Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again in another video. See you soon.